Last spin bonus. Let's see if it's worth the shit. Antony and Cleopatra are now wild. Yeah, but nothing lined up. Oh. 97.80. Okay, they connected. That's cool. Interesting. Interesting game. 2 spins left. Let's be done here. Not bad. Huge win. Thanks for playing. Let's play some Heidi's Beer House. Six might be a little too crazy right now. What the? Come on, baby. Do it, red.
Whoopa, whoopa, da-di-da-di-da. Oh, Heidi.
Come on, baby. Third reel.
Are you thirsty?
Very thirsty.
Oh, come on down to Heidi's. Come join us for a beer.
Retrader.
They come from far and near to drink and laugh and cheer. And when you come to Heidi's, you want to sing along. Everyone has so much fun, you're right where you belong. Roll out the barrel and give a real good spin. With some help from Hans and Heidi, you could really win. I love to play at Heidi's, yeah, she's a real big tease. So I pick up my accordion and give her a good squeeze. La 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 la.
Come on. Nice finish. Nice finish.
Superb.
We will take it. Thank you. All right. Let's keep going for a minute. Then we get some more bonuses. Come out and play, Heidi.
Heidi. another round with plenty of head on it.
Plenty of head on it. Now line up Hans. Oh! Oh, man.
Sehr good.
Excellent. Very excellent. We'll be back. All right, let's keep going on Heidi's Beer House. I want to get an excellent bonus. Drink might be nice too. Come on, baby. Oh boy, that was close. Holy pretzels. Nice little hit. Come on, Heidi, shake them. Stacks of Heidi, baby. Come on, one time. Oh, darn it. That's what I'm looking for. You gonna come pour some beers or what's up? I'm gonna pull it at 200, I think. Walk away with some profit. So you might be done. Alright, that's it. Something good. Yeah, there it is. Alright. Alright, we got the free games on Max. That's pretty sick. I've been in trouble now twice for recording, so I'm keeping my camera low. I apologize if not catching everything. Need those gold nuggets. Badly. Come on. Let's not let this beautiful max bet bonus go to waste. Oh, snap. Beautiful. 6 drums. Try and catch this. Want some big numbers. God, yes. Oh, this is huge. This is huge. $500. We got 2,500 credits, then it multiplies it by your bet times, your bet per line, which is 10, and then we got a 2 times multiplier. That's so sick. That's so sick. I don't even care if I get another one. Last game. I'm going to move on from this game. Thanks for watching, guys.